Number 1. Undavali Caves. A beautiful testimony to the rich history, culture and heritage of the region, the Undavali Caves is a set of rock-cut temples located amidst lush greenery. These caves, which are dedicated to the Lord Padmanabha and Lord Narsimha, date back to more than 1300 years and were carved out of a single sandstone base. While exploring the structures and motifs of these caves, you will come across Jain and Buddhist designs as well. A short hike from the Undavali Caves will take you to a serene spot that offers excellent views of the Krishna River. Number 2. Prakasam Barrage. Prakasam Barrage, one of the most iconic structures in Vijayawada, is a bridge that connects the districts of Krishna and Guntur. More than a kilometer long, it spans the Krishna River and offers splendid views of the lake. The bridge was built in the year 1957 and was named after Shri Tangutri Prakasam, the first Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. If you are a photography enthusiast, make sure that you visit the place during early morning or late evening hours to capture some amazing shots. Number 3. Bhavani Island. Spread over 50 hectares right in the middle of Krishna River, Bhavani Island is one of the largest river islands in India and counts among the top tourist places to visit in Vijayawada. Apart from enjoying the mesmerizing riverside scenery, you can also indulge in boat ride, swimming and variety of water sports and adventure activities. Number 4. Bapu Museum. For those who love a good dose of history, there is no place better in Vijayawada than the Victoria Jubilee Museum, also known as Bapu Museum. This archaeological museum, which was established in 1887 and is currently run by the Department of Archaeology, has many exhibits that chart centuries of history and culture, from intricately carved idols to painted artwork and weapons. One of the key highlights of Bapu Museum is a pristine marble statue of Buddha. Number 5. Kanaka Durga Temple. Perched on the Indrakeladri hill, Kanaka Durga Temple is the most revered Hindu temple in Vijayawada. With its history intertwined with the identity of the city, according to legends, this temple was constructed by Arjun and was dedicated to the goddess Durga. The deity here is considered to be self-manifested, and the shrine houses a 4 feet tall idol of the goddess decked with ornaments and flowers. The Sahara is one of the biggest festivals here, and the structure of the shrine is a good example of South Indian temple architecture. Number 6. Rajiv Gandhi Park. When you make a list of the top 10 places to visit in Vijayawada, Rajiv Gandhi Park should be in it, and for the alright reasons. The riverside location of the park not only adds to its allure, but also allows you to catch a good view of the Krishna River. If you prefer a quiet evening with your loved ones, you can wander around the gardens on the neat paths flanked by flower beds. Number 7. Gandhi Hill. Gandhi Hill, a scenic hill located at an elevation of over 500 feet, is one of the most visited tourist places in Vijayawada. Its location close to the railway station makes it an ideal place to feel the pulse of this thriving city. While here, you can enjoy stunning views of the cityscape and also visit the Gandhi Hill Memorial, which has the stupa, a library and a planetarium where you can catch a show on Mahatma Gandhi and pay homage to the father of the nation. Number 8. Kondapalli Fort. The ruins of Kondapalli Fort, also known as Kondapalli Kota, offers a throwback into the medieval glory of Vijayawada. Tucked away in a hilly area, the fort is a serene spot where one can spend hours exploring its ramparts. It is around 700 years old, and some of the newer quarters were built by the British. The surrounding forests have some good hiking trails for those who want to venture a little further. The many viewpoints around the structure make it a favorite with photographers and nature lovers. Number 9. Besant Road. Touted as the commercial heart of Vijayawada, Besant Road is a top choice for recreation, dining and shopping. The street is famous for its stores selling clothes and other fashion accessories. People of Andhra Pradesh love their cinema, and Besant Road is home to many iconic theatres where you can watch some of the latest Telugu releases. If you are a foodie, you can enjoy the huge variety of cuisines available at the restaurants and eateries that dot the area. Number 10. Hazratbal Mosque. Hazrat Bal is a famous mosque that contains a relic of the Prophet, making it a holy site for the Muslim devotees in the city. Boasting a beautiful architecture and located conveniently in the city, this white structure is one of the most picturesque stops in Vijayawada. The place is most crowded on Fridays, so visitors who want to make a casual visit can plan their trip accordingly. Hope you liked this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.